The death of Prophet Adam, alayhi salam. After living a long life, nearly 1,000 years, Prophet Adam, alayhi salam, the father of mankind, felt the time of his death was near. He gathered his children and advised them with love. "O my children, fear Allah, obey Him, and stay away from shaitan. Hold on to the truth and remain united." The angels came to him, carrying a white shroud from paradise and heavenly perfume. His son Seth, Shith alayhi salam, was taught how to wash and shroud his body. He prayed the first funeral prayer in human history. As Adam, alayhi salam, was laid to rest, the angel said to his children, "This is the way of your father Adam. This is how you will all return to your Lord." The earth received its first grave, and humanity witnessed for the first time the pain of separation. But Allah's mercy is greater than death. Through Adam, alayhi salam, the journey of prophets began, and the message of Tawheed, oneness of Allah, would continue. From it, the earth, we created you, and into it we shall return you, and from it we shall bring you out once again. Quran 20:55